Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are outside the CVS. Yes, I know I'm a day late. I just was so exhausted yesterday and I don't know why. I literally slept on the couch like all day. Woke up, took care of the cat, took care of the dogs, went back to sleep, woke up, took care of the dogs again, went back to sleep. I didn't even make it up to my bed. I just literally slept on the couch. I don't know about you guys, but I've been having a lot more days like in the last month or two like those, and I don't know why, but I don't know. Anyway, we're outside the CVS. There are some hopefully really good deals that we're gonna do this week at CVS. Hopefully my store has them in stock. Yeah, there's a printable breakdown just in case you do want to take it inside your store with you or check it out. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have 50% off select ninjamas. So if you need some, I don't know if that's a good price, but that might be a great price for you. We have a pretty good deal on Colgate. They're on promotion for buy two, get $3 in extra bucks, and they're two for $8. So obviously grab your favorite two for $8. We do have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $4 at the register, get the $3 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $1 for both. The Colgate Optic White Pro series is on promotion for buy two, get $5 in extra bucks. They're $11.79 at my store, so grabbing two will be $23.58. We do have a $10 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $13.58 at the register. Get the $5 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $8.58 for both. The better way to do this deal is if you have a 5 off of 30 for Colgate. So you would grab both of these deals together and your total will be $31.58. After the two digital coupons plus the $5 CRT that comes off, you'll be left to pay $12.58. But remember, we're getting $5 in extra bucks for these and $3 in extra bucks for these, making them $4.58 for all four. We have an amazing coupon that works on tons and tons of different products throughout the store. This is just one of the deals you can use with it. So Swab is on promotion for buy one or buy two, get $3 in extra bucks. They're buy one, get one 50% off. They are $3.29 for the single deodorants, or this one is $3.59, so slightly more expensive. But if you grab three of the ones that are $3.29, one will be full price, two will be full price, one will be 50% off. Your total will be $8.22. And we do have a $4 digital coupon off of three, making them you left to pay $4.22 at the register. Get the $3 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $1.22 for all three. My store only has two, unfortunately. I don't really use this brand, so that's okay. I mean, I'd be willing to pay like 30 cents more, but still. We have okay savings on Degree deodorant this week. They're on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $2 in extra bucks. You can grab the sticks or the sprays. You can grab the men or the women's. They're the same price, but the sticks are the cheaper option at my store. They're $5.79, so one at full price. One at 50% off will be $8.68. We have a $3 digital coupon that attaches to the stick or the spray. You'll be left to pay $5.68 at the register. Get the $2 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $3.68 for both. We have a okay deal on Dove hand soap, so it's on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $4 in extra bucks, and they're $6.19. I think that's outrageous, but maybe I'm just crazy and out of touch in prices, but grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $9.28. We have a $2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7.28 at the register. Get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $3.28 for both. Y'all, hot deal. This Cetaphil 48-hour deep hydration is on clearance for $5.94, and there's a $3 digital coupon, making it $2.94. Great deal on Neutrogena makeup wipes. If it's something that you use. These are the 25 count wipes that are in like the facial care aisle. They're on promotion for buy two, get $7 in extra bucks, and they're $6.99. So grabbing two will be $13.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $9.98. We'll get the $7 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $2.98 for both. Easy deal on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're all on promotion for buy two, get $6 in extra bucks, And the cheapest option is to grab these single eyeshadows that are $4.99. Grabbing 2 of these, your total will be $9.98. We do have a $3 CRT everyone got this week, so you'll be left to pay $6.98. But get the $6 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them 98 cents for both. Or if you prefer, check your account for a 3 off of 15 CRT and grab at least $15 worth, and you can grab some great savings. We have a super easy deal this week. It's on select gift cards. Pop it up on the screen, but it's spend $50, you'll get $10 in extra bucks, and it's on great deals. Especially, I know one of them is DoorDash. I've considered doing this deal because I kind of use DoorDash here and there, and to get a free $10 extra buck on things we're going to buy anyway is always a great deal. Great back to school stock up deal is these Lysol wipes. You're gonna look for the 80 count ones. They are on promotion for buy one get one free. Buy 2 get $3 in extra bucks. They're $10.49, so grabbing 2 will be $10.49. That's what you'll pay. Get the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $7.49 for both. This week we have our normal spend $30, get $10 in extra bucks, and it includes some personal care items, but we're going to focus on laundry. So here are some of the products that you can grab, and then we'll go over the scenario I'm going to do. So select products are Tide products are on sale for $4.99, which is a great price. So you can grab the Tide Pods for $4.99. There's a $1 digital coupon, or you can grab the small Tide liquid. That's $4.99. There's a $1 digital coupon for that. You can grab the Gain Plus. There's a $4 digital coupon for that, or on the Coupons 24 app, there's a $4 digital coupon. I think the regular Gain has a. I don't think there's anything for the Gain like that, or the Gain medium size pouch, $9.99. There's a $2 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. I couldn't get it to scan correctly in the CVS app, so I'm not sure. The hard container of Gain Flings has a $3 digital coupon in the CVS app, or on Coupons 24 app, there's a $3 digital coupon. I think there's a $1 digital coupon for the Gain Flings small package. My store finally has them again. I think they were stopped carrying them for quite some time. Dawn Power Wash is $5.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon in the CVS app. Since my store switched to the new registers, I don't think my store observes the 98% rule anymore. So this is how I'm going to do the deal. I'm going to grab 2 of the Gain Plus, a Platinum Plus, Dawn, and a Tide Pods. My total will be $30.96. $4 coupon, $4 coupon on 24 app, $2 coupon, $1 coupon. I'll be left to pay $19.96 at the register. Get the $10 in extra bucks for spending $30. Make them $9.96 for all 4. And if I'm wrong about the 98% rule thing, let me know, because I'd love to go back to the old 98% rule, but I'm pretty sure that's what I remember seeing across a couple different pages. So yeah. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I'm just not having a mental good day. I'm still kind of tired. I don't know why I'm tired so much. I don't know if it's stressed, what it is, but I don't know. Anyway, so I grabbed just a couple deals because I did have $36 worth of extra bucks expiring tomorrow. So of course that's way too much to be wasting. The deals are really good. But let's go over my receipt. So I grabbed the spend $30 deal, the clearance Cetaphil, the 3 swab deodorants, and the Colgate toothpaste. Those are the deals I grabbed. So that's everything that I grabbed in my cart. Then for digital coupons, we have the $4 Coupons 24 app for the Gain Plus, then the Gain Plus $4 coupon from the CVS app. It wasn't scanning in store, but when I was doing my deals, I put them together online. It showed that it attached online to when I was shopping the deal. So I was a little nervous about that, but sometimes the apps are just, especially Walgreens, if y'all know. But yeah, anyway, so there's that. And then we have the $2 for the Dawn Power Wash, $1 for the Tide Pods, $4 for the Colgate. We have $3 for the Degree deodorant, $4 for the 3 products. I grabbed the Suave deodorant. Like I said, there's tons of other deals you can grab with those. Then we have the $3 for the Cetaphil, and like I said, I had a lot of CRTs that were expiring, or CRTs, extra bucks. Oh my goodness! So I only swiped my card for $1.10. So yeah, I only swiped my card for $1.10. I didn't get the gift card deal. I thought about it. I'm trying not to eat fast food. I have a wedding in September, and I'm trying to lose a little more weight before September. So trying to cut out fast food as much as possible. Like if I eat it at work and a coworker gets it for me, or we share it at work, that's different. But anyway, so for extra bucks earned, I did get the $2 for, what is this for? Oh, buying the, Degree? Yeah, the Degree deodorant. So I did earn that back. And then I got the $3 for buying 2 of the Colgate. Then I did get the $10 in extra bucks for spending the $30. Then I did get the $3 in extra bucks for buying the 2 Suave products. Like I said, there's tons of other products you can grab for this. There's like Q-tips, chapsticks, like Suave shampoo. My store doesn't sell the Suave shampoo. I was originally planning on that, but like the super cheap bottles don't qualify, so I couldn't do those. But yeah, that's it, right? Now I'm distracted. Yeah, I only did 4 deals. Yes, so that's everything. Unfortunately, no. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I was hoping to maybe get like a spend like, I don't know, like a threshold CRT. I haven't gotten one of those in a hot minute, but whatever. Oopsies. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys got your Dunkin' refreshers yesterday with that code. I did post it on Facebook. I was a little slightly late to posting it because I dozed off, but it's there. And if you haven't heard that Crumble is giving away a free drink at select participating Crumbles that offer the dirty soda, I think that's what it's called. If you have the Crumble app, it's a free coupon in the app and you don't have to purchase anything. I think that's till the end of the week as well, so definitely check that out in your Crumble app if you have one. But thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.